Hi, this is Ivan speaking. In this video, we'll talk about how to convert the scenarios, the two scenarios test into BDD format using Cucumber. So as you know that BDD actually involves both the developers, the customers, and other stakeholders to work together on the requirements analysis, and it's very helpful when you come to communicating with the cross-functional teams. It also involves high visibility, which everyone's understand, and it also maintains a higher confidence from the developer side, which the development teams will actually understand that they won't break the codes, and from the user side, they will understand that what the developers are actually doing from a high level. So it communicate across the teams and the customers and the user. So in this case, and you remember that we have got these two scenario on the first video. So for the first scenario, which we are doing this, all right, we are going to search for the string, and then we are going to scroll down and find another video, and we are going to click on that video, and we are going to pause and play the video, and then click on the next video and capture the result. All right, for scenario 2, we are going to grab the title of the title description of the current page, and then we scroll down to the third page, and then we grab the title of the current page in the home page. All right, and then we compare the results whether they tally or not. So so for Cucumber, we actually need three files. One is the runner class, one is a step definition class, and one is a feature file. Okay, so for the feature files, you can actually go to here and right, click other files and property type. Okay, and this will actually comes out, right? It's a template. You can actually use it. Okay, yeah. So you have got this given, when, and then, and the text. Yeah. And for the step definition, you can actually add onto this. Right. So these are the steps, the keywords, right? The given, when, then, and. This is where you actually fill out the keywords and you actually input things, methods, what are the tasks that you want to do in each of these steps. Okay. So, and the last step we actually need is a runner class. So the runner class is a normal class. I'll show you this example. Okay. So the runner class, it contains this. These are the important things. First is Cucumber options, and you actually define the tags, all right, which scenario you want, whether it's a smoke test or any particular text, and where do you actually put the features file, and also finally where is the step definition. Okay, so this is where we actually runs the Cucumber, right? We actually runs from here, and it actually runs whatever that we actually tag in this line. Okay, so I actually have prepared also the features. Okay, see, these are the same as what you saw on the test file, the first two scenarios. So given when I want to launch the YouTube, and then I search for the name, and when I actually scroll down and then search for this, okay, and play the video, and I pause the video, and also I play the video, and then I will click next a video, and finally I capture the results. Right, this is scenario 1, and similarly for scenario 2 is I launch the YouTube. I want to capture the title of the current page in the home, and I want to scroll to the third page, and I also want to get the title of the current page, and of course I'll compare the result from there. So all these things I actually got the stat definition file, which remember I actually store it in this package. So it's in here. So you see, for example, I want to launch YouTube, which is in here, and I actually call this method. Alright, and I want to search for the video of this name, right, which is in here. So I define all the steps, the keywords all in this file, in here, all of it in here. So whatever you actually want to actually add in the steps, all these steps, you need to actually define it in the step definition file, right? It is the same thing. You can use this and call your POMs, all the POMs in here, alright, all the POM you recognize, right? You call these POMs here, and this will make things easier. Okay, so let me run through the first scenario. Okay, okay, alright, starting up. Okay, so basically launch YouTube like what it does in here. Launch YouTube, and then search for the string in here, and you scroll down for the videos, right? Automating a manual test case, and it gets in here, and of course it pause the video for 10 seconds, and you play, yeah, pause the video, and then you play again. Okay, and then you go on to the next. Alright, now it's playing the videos, alright, for 10 seconds. Right, then stop the videos and then go to the next video. So you see that, okay, the test case is actually done, right? And so it passed, right? So you can see, yeah, it passed. Okay, so this is passed, done. All right, and let's try to run the scenario 2. This is where actually I want to capture the title of the current page and then compare it to known expected values. Okay, so I'll change in here, scenario 2, and then I'll run it. Okay, right, see that it's running. So I'll scroll in here and I'll capture the title page, go to the third page, and then I'll capture the title again. Alright, so it passed. So I've actually captured the title page. Right, I've captured the title, and I will do a comparison. Yeah, comparison with my expected values. And so this pass. Okay, so if all this actually passes, you can actually test the smoke test. You can actually test the smoke test on your CI, and that will do. Alright, that's all for this video. Thank you very much.